Hi friends, welcome to vigarocks. Today we are going to see name of the colors in Hindi. For that it is called Hindi में रंगों के नाम in Hindi. Okay, shall we start children? First color is green. For green it is hara in Hindi. Okay children, for green it is hara in Hindi. Next color is black. For black, it is kala in Hindi. Okay, children. For black, it is kala in Hindi. Next color is white. For white, it is safed in Hindi. Okay, children. For white, it is safed in Hindi. Next one is blue. For blue, it is neela in Hindi. Okay, children. For blue color, it is neela rang in Hindi. Next color is yellow. For yellow, it is peela in Hindi. For yellow color, it is peela rang in Hindi. Okay, children. Next color is brown. For brown, it is bura in Hindi. For brown, it is bura in Hindi. Okay, children. Next color is orange. For orange, it is narangi in Hindi. For orange color, it is narangi rang in Hindi. Okay, children. Next one is violet. For violet, it is baingani in Hindi. Okay, children. For violet, it is baingani in Hindi. For rose, it is gulabi in Hindi. Okay, children. For rose, it is gulabi in Hindi. Next color is golden color. For golden color, it is sunhara in Hindi. For golden, it is sunhara in Hindi. Okay, children. Next color is grey. For grey, it is dusar in Hindi. For grey, it is dusar in Hindi. Next color is red. For red, it is lal in Hindi. For red, it is lal in Hindi. Next color is saffron. For saffron, it is kesar in Hindi. For saffron, it is kesar in Hindi. Okay, children? If you want to join my Hindi classes, you can contact this number. Okay? Thank you for watching this video.